Hello everyone, welcome to Tech My Life. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make boomerang videos on Snapchat. It's pretty simple, so let's jump right in. First, go ahead and open Snapchat on your mobile device. Now go ahead and take a video. Once you have taken your video, you can see a repeat icon to your right. Tap on it and put it on loop. Once you have set the video on loop, Snapchat will automatically create a boomerang for you. And that's it. This is how you make boomerang videos on Snapchat. Thank you for watching Tech My Life. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then please click the thumbs up button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. If you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss our upcoming videos.